This digital meat thermometer is a must-have for our family when cooking meats indoors in our oven and also especially outdoors on our smoker and our grills. So let me tell you a little bit about this one. This has been a favorite of ours. Love the case that it comes in. It comes with a USB cord. It's a USB to USB connector. You just plug it in here to charge it. Very easy. It has a power button here and a reset button here. You control it with your phone app, but let me show you what it looks like before I start it up, because I do have a leg of lamb in the oven that I'm about to put this in to. So this is the probe itself, and this is what it looks like. So basic meat thermometer probe, very easy to store. And then this is the digital display. So let me go ahead and turn this on right now. I'm gonna hold this down, and there you go. So let me tell you a bit about the display. Down here is the probe battery indicator, and this is the booster battery indicator, which is this whole thing. And then this is the ambient temperature display and the internal temperature display, which is set to Fahrenheit right now. So that's the nice thing about it. You can see everything's fully charged. And if you don't use your app, you actually can see the display on this booster if you don't have a phone app, or if you have the app on your phone and maybe your husband doesn't. You're able to kind of monitor the temperatures from the booster itself. That's a really nice feature. So it uses the temp probe app. So this is what the app looks like when it's not in use. You have your temperature gauge here. There's no preset right now. It has target, ambient, internal. We have a record. So these are some items, previous cooked items. We used beef. Let me go back. And then setting. So you can set it to Fahrenheit or Celsius, language, English for us, alarm, ringtone, or vibration, and just information about the app itself. So I'm gonna go back. So I'm gonna go ahead and select the type of meat I'm cooking. So I have a lamb roast, leg of lamb that I've already put into the oven. And I want it to be, I'll say medium well. And actually, I'll say medium well. And then we're gonna hit confirm. And it's basically telling me to insert the probe into the middle of the thickest part of the meat and ensure the notch on the probe is fully inside the meat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So here is my roast leg of lamb. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the thickest part of the meat right here. And this is the notch. So I'm gonna make sure, let me hold this still. I'm gonna make sure that it's actually all the way in. So there, it's in there now. So I'm gonna keep that in there, and we'll go back to the app and I'll show you what it looks like now. So, okay, so now it says, here's what it looks like, and it says start cook. Okay, so right now it's saying the internal temperature is 55 degrees, the target is 149, the ambient is 92 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna go ahead and let this continue until it gets to the desired temperature. So I'll come back when it's done so you can see what that looks like and what the alarm looks like. Another thing is, you can see right here, you can just have this nearby and it's telling you the same information. So right here, you can see 55 internal, 100 degrees ambient. Over here is telling you the same thing, 55, and it's creeping up 101 ambient. So it's nice to have where it doesn't have to just be on your phone. Once you have it set, you can also see it in the booster itself. I'll be back to show you how it responds when it's hit its desired temperature. So this is what it sounds like when it goes off. We actually adjusted it to well done, and it's going off. So that's what it does. So let me see, confirm, and that's it. So definitely pleased with this thermometer and really impressed with it. It does what we need it to do, and it's just really easy to use. So if you're looking for a really good digital meat thermometer, definitely recommend this one.